So this is something I was never educated about in school, where about Haiti. Well, Haiti, was occupied by the United States for about 20 years. Did you know that? Well, let's go ahead and roll this clip.
In 1915, U.S. Marines invaded Haiti. First act of the invading Marines was to seize all the gold from Haitian banks, transfer it to the National City Bank of New York. All of Haiti's banks were put under the control of American banks. The United States announced that Haiti was now under the rule of a new constitution, a constitution written by Franklin D. Roosevelt, who, of course, was not Haitian. This new constitution allowed the purchase of Haitian land by foreign capitalists, which began immediately. But with revolution in their blood, the Haitian masses fought back against this new colonial rule. The most famous and beloved leader in the anti-occupation movement was Charlemagne Perrault. So the U.S. Marine Corps hunted down Perrault, executed him, tied his dead body to a door, and paraded it through the streets of Haiti for all to see. They had a photographer capture an image of the national hero's mutilated corpse, put it on a leaflet, and dropped thousands of them from airplanes all across the island. American rule of Haiti began with acts of sheer terrorism like this. The U.S. military occupied Haiti and ruled it as an outright colony for 20 years. A colonial rule gave way to neo-colonialism, where the United States installed total puppets, but with rigged elections so they could pretend to be supporters of democracy.
Now, as you heard, the bank that she's talking about is actually Citibank. So some of you actually have accounts at Citibank right now, and they was taking and delivering all Haiti's gold to Citibank. They immediately started to take the land away. Do you know Haiti has a wealthy ruling class who isn't Haitian, and they live very good, very, very good. But then the black people in Port-au-Prince are struggling, and it looks horrible because of that's done by design. Now, as you heard toward the end, they say they put in puppet leaders, right? Well, these puppet leaders are controlled by, the U.S. and also the West. Look at the last president. He didn't go along with the program during the pandemic, and look what happened to that brother. Every time that a leader takes a stand and say, hey, wait a minute, nah, I'm good. Because I remember during that time, I reported on this. Haiti only lost 26 people during the time of the pandemic. And Haiti did not do the conventional methods on anything. And people I remember the stories, how is it that Haitians are not, passing away with the virus? What's going on? You remember the article even about the African continent? What is going on? Because it was tearing Europe up. I mean, you remember that. It was tearing them up big time. So right after the president was assassinated, I saw on UNICEF's Facebook, they was already doing what they really wanted to do in relation to medication. So Haiti has always been suppressed. Haiti has always been destabilized because they don't want Haiti to survive. Haiti, of course, they fought off the French in 1804, and even after that, the French still forced them to pay them billions of dollars in a reparation for kicking them out of their land. Haiti was the only country when their original constitution say, hey, if you are a black person, you could come here, you can be a citizen here and get land. So a lot of people in America who could escape slavery and get to Haiti are like, shoot, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good in Haiti. They ain't like that. Listen, they never wanted no successful black country, definitely around the shores of the United States. Oh no, that ain't happening. That's why when people say, well, I just go to the Caribbean. My issue is you go to the Caribbean, you might want to stay in the United States then, because you're way too close to them. Not to say nothing could happen overseas, but it takes a little bit more effort overseas versus right next door. You understand what I'm saying? But they get mad when Haitians come over here. Well, y'all destabilize their country. Well, why wouldn't they come over here? I mean, based off of the history, they just coming to get their resources back. That's all. But Biden and them, when Haitian people want to come here for a better life, what did Biden do? Put them right on a plane and ship them right back to Haiti. That's what Biden done to the Haitian people. which is totally wrong. He let everybody else come that got a little lighter skin, but he don't want the Haitians here. Even the Africans that come here, some of them, they'll send them back too. Biden showed his hand big time how racist he is when he did that to the Haitians. Because I didn't see no planes going with Guatemalans or anybody else, just the Haitians. So this is the history they don't want you to learn in school. This is why they talk about critical race theory and all of that crap. No, this is the history of America and what they've done to other black people. But yet they want to tell Haitians and anybody else pull themselves up by their bootstraps. And also you can talk about Latin America too. They did the same things in Latin America, destabilized their countries, took out their leaders. Read the book, Confessions of an Economic Hitman. Read that book. It details fully what they did in Latin America. And you wonder why the people keep coming up here? Because of them and what they did in their countries. Every time they had a decent leader in Latin America, if he wasn't about being a stooge or a puppet, they took him out. It's just that simple. And it's always a reason why certain things happen. Unfortunately, we the citizens got to deal with the brunt of their foreign policy. And their foreign policy has been colonization and theft of other people's resources who aren't white. But, let me know what you think about some of this. Like I said, this is, it's completely wrong. But this is why they don't teach you this in school.